Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Simbut Menteri Rangba Kajerla Uba Prestone Tensong Habakran baki nong tho khobor ulay thu baki don kajinge kendu lang bat ki Cpwd ki BSF bat ka PWD Ïakren haror ka tu kat ni ki projek jong ka PMGSY kabadai ka Surok Khappud uloong baka way kamat kadai hakitan ranikor ha ka Surok kadai jong ka Cpwd bat ki BSF nangta kamang pisa lamang banchna thamai henry kadon kam ya ka NOC na ka Cpwd bat na ka BSF nilai Ïakren menta bat nilai kerpat iki bakin ai ka NOC na marya ka ni ka Surok lakan thop ha ka PMGSY uloong ru baka way pat kadai Hagaru Hills ha ka ba kidon ki Surok ki balet shabar jong ka jingker sainar kini ki benta nagalyang ka BSF kapan snow bakidon kam ban penbet bat bandon syapo jong ka jingker sainar namar lada Shna shabar ka jingker kidon kam banyo jingbet pat na kiri bamarjan ha kabaide berkajaka baklem pat ker sainar ha Khappud uba Prestone uloong bakajaka ka bakimpat ker ha Khappud jong ka India bat Bangladesh kalong sa kumba 10 kilometer bat ka sorkar kala persangkat bala bakani ka basa kinla ban kerno henry kidon ki jing ki baki kendu kawai ka jaka ha ka baki don ki trai jaka bat kirang basnong ki ong balada ka jingker kan yat na ka jaka ka baki mut ban bu ka jaka kan kela ka jaka ka bamla ban pendon kam bat lada ka long kumta ka sorkar India ka hap ban siu bailot ksan ya kitu ki jaka ki bahap habar jong ka jingker kata kadai ka jing persya bat kadai kamat ka badai bat kilara ya kan yesha ka sorkar India ha ka baidai ba ka jing wan rung tu ki briu ki ba nabar uba Prestone uloong baka sorkar India kalabatha ya ki BSF bat ki sorkar jilla banlong ki ba petngor bat kanum don ka jing wan rung tu syakari ulay thu ru ba ka BSF kalapan klan shu ban pahara ha kini ki Khappud bakanum don ka jing wan rung kibriu ki banabar.
No, I have a joint meeting with the BSF authority and then as well as with the Cpwd and my team from the PWD department, right from the secretary of the chief engineers. We were discussing about a few projects of PMGSY, which happens to be a border road. So one issue here in somewhere in the Ranikor side, where the road in fact belongs to the Cpwd and the BSF themselves. So now sanction has been accorded for reconstruction of roads, but we need NOC from the both from Cpwd as well as from the BSF. So we discussed today, and I told them you kindly give us the NOC so that we can start, because this has been already included in the PMGSY 3. So that is number one. And number two is one again in Garo Hills. In Garo Hills, what happened is there are stretch of road which goes outside the fencing. Outside the fencing, not inside the fencing. So again, those portion which is outside the fencing, the BSF feel that we need to do the realignment of the road. We have to bring into the inside the fencing, because that side, if we go outside, then our counterpart from Bangladesh, they are protesting and then they don't allow us to construct road or any infrastructure. So we already discussed this and we have taken a decision, and they will also take it up with the higher authority. Then ultimately they will issue us the NOC for construction of such roads. That is the meeting we had today. The remaining unfenced in the entire India Bangladesh border is about more or less around 50 something kilometers that we have, and we are trying our best to make sure that this 50 odd kilometers be again fenced. But again, saying that again some challenges we are facing. Number one is again the land issue, because some landowners and then the Rangba Shnong, the headman, they said if the fencing has to go from here, then the maximum of the land falls to the no man's land. If that is the case, then government of India has to pay us the compensation, even those area which falls outside the fencing. That is the opposition from the landowners. So these issues, in fact, it is very genuine issue, and we are taking up with the Ministry of Home Affairs to convince the government of India not to do the compensation only the stretch of those construction fencing, but it should be also the land which is outside the fencing. They need to also account this loss, which directly, affect the livelihood of the landowners and the people of the state. Well, right now, I think Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs has issued a very, very strict regulation to the border security forces as well as to the government, to this respective state government, to be more proactive, making sure that no infiltrators happens in this entire stretch of the Indo-Bangla border. That is number one. And number two, as far as BSF is concerned, I think even the additional forces has been also placed in those vulnerable places.